Hey, welcome back to another video of Programmer Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your username in WordPress account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in wordpress.com and click on enter. You'll be directed to official homepage of WordPress. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, hover your mouse to your profile section, which is at the top right corner of your screen, and you will find Edit Profile option. Click on it. Now, on the left hand side of your screen, you can find Account Settings tab. Click on it. Then you will see Username option. Click on this field and delete the current username and type in the new username you want to add. After typing your new username, you need to confirm typing it again on this field here. Also keep in mind that you cannot change back to your old username. Now scroll down a little bit until you see Save Username button. Click on it. After that, your username will be changed. So that is how you can change your username in WordPress account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.